Hello everyone. Today I am here with the second part of the lesson Haldi's Adventure. We are going to discuss the question answer today. The competencies which we are going to focus are reading, writing and speaking. So let's begin. So students, first you read out these three questions and then think of the answers. You may also discuss these answers with your parents, and then I will discuss it with you and you can check whether your answers are correct or not. So, the first question is, where was Haldi going? Where was Haldi going? Why did Haldi stare at the giraffe? Why did Haldi stare at the giraffe? How did she reach school? How did she reach school? So I think you must have thought of the answers till now. So let us discuss the first question. Where was Haldi going? Students, you have to answer, where was Haldi going? Do you know the answer of this question? Yes, if your answer is that she was going to school, then it's correct. But how will you write the answer? You will write it as Haldi was going to school. Haldi was going to school. Now let's see the second question. Why did Haldi stare at the giraffe? You have to tell, why did Haldi stare at the giraffe? Think of the answer. Yes, because the giraffe was very strange. She had never seen such giraffe before. Okay, that's why she was staring at him. So, when you have to write the answer of this question, you will first see that there is a did in the question. So, whenever there is a did in the question, what you have to do, you have to change this action word to past tense and you will change it as stared. You will write Haldi stared at the giraffe because she had never seen such giraffe before. Okay, so this is the correct answer of this question. Now let's see the third question. How did she reach school? How did she reach school? Yes, if you have got to know that she reached school by riding on the giraffe's back, then this is the correct answer. Okay, so when you want to write the answer, what you will write, here also you can see there is a did in the question, so you have to change this word reach to past tense. Okay, so you will say she reached school by riding on the giraffe's back. She reached school by riding on the giraffe's back. Okay, so here it is. She reached school by riding on the giraffe's back. So now we will discuss some more question. Look at here. Here are three more questions which you have to talk about. Okay, so you will talk about these questions to your parents. How do you go to school? You have to tell to your parents that how do you go to school. The answer of this question will differ from child to child because all the students have different means to travel to their school. Like if this question will be asked to me, I will say that I go to school by an auto rickshaw. Okay, so in this way you also have to answer the question that how do you go to school. Okay, now what do you wear to school? What do you wear to school? You have to tell what do you wear to school. Okay, so here you will write that I. In place of you have to write I, because I am asking the question to you. Then I will say you are answering the question, that time you will say I wear the uniform to school. Okay, I wear my school's uniform, or you can say I wear the uniform to school, right? In the last question you have to tell, have you ever seen anything strange on your way to school? Talk about it. Now you have to tell your parents, have you ever seen something strange on the way to your school, like Haldi met a giraffe one day? In the same way, have you also seen something strange while going to school? Discuss with your parents about it. Now let's color. I'm giving you a very beautiful activity which you will like to do. It is coloring activity. Here you can see a picture of a snake. Okay, what you have to do, that find the shapes. You will find the shape. Which shape is this? Can you tell me which shape is this? Yes, this is a triangle, and this is a circle, and these are two curved lines, right? Here in this triangle, which color is this? Can you tell me? Yes, this is yellow. And this color? Yes, it's red, and this is blue. Now what you have to do, in the snake you have to fill these colors into these shapes. Like in this triangle you have to color yellow, in this circle you will color red, in these lines you will color blue, right? Then you have to color the whole picture, and you can send the picture to me, right? Now you have to write these question and answers in your copy. You have to color the snake, and you have to talk about few questions with your parents, right? So this is your homework, and thank you for listening to me. I will come with another part of this lesson very soon. Thank you.